everybody, Rose from Rose M Creations. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. So today I have a wooden TV tray, I guess is what it is. I got it at a yard sale, $5. It's wood. We sanded it, had a big gouge in it, sanded it, primed it, the legs, took the legs off, I taped the whole back, and then I spray painted this beveled edge here silver, and I've got that taped off as well. But when I resin it, I'll take the edges off. I have it on these sticks because my table's not leveled. So I've been racking my brain what to do. I knew the color schemes, I want blues and greens, and I just didn't know the technique. So I'm going to flood it with white and silver, and I have my split cup. And I'm gonna do the plan, I hope it works, is a ribbon with the split cup on top of the white and silver. So let's start layering the cup up. Oh, the Prussian blue you can really see. Okay. Okay, that's a little better. Don't regret that last thing I just did. Okay, I'll show you two wet close up. All right, here it is wet, little close up. Look at this. How cool is that? Yeah, I'm happy with it. There's a couple things I'm not happy about. There's stuff going on there. It's a little bit too much of the Treasure Gold, the Folk Art Aqua. But overall, I'm happy with it. And I will show it to you dried and then resined and assembled. All right, I'll I'll show this to you when it's dry. All right, here is the table completed, assembled, dried, resined, and it came out really well. The resin's, it's tough to capture resin on camera, but here's my favorite spot. And yeah, came out cool. Happy with it. I think it looks like octopus tentacles. That's what I see. And yeah, fun project. And thanks for joining me, everyone. Peace to everybody.